This slideshow is to help you to find the rule in number patterns. Number patterns just don't happen. They have to follow a rule. And this is, if you watch the slideshow, it will help you to understand how to find the rule. We know how to count forwards by 1. We can all do that very well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. We can learn to count forwards by numbers other than 1. This is known as skip counting. Let's take a look at some skip counting patterns. Skip counting by 2s. Count every second number. So if you start at 0, you skip the number next to it and you land on this number. So if you start at 0, skip over 1 and you land on 2. Skip over 2, over 3 and you land on 4. Skip over the next number and you land on 6. Skip over the next number and you land on 8. So if you are skip counting by 2s, you would say 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So what is the rule when you are skip counting this way? Or if you find these numbers only, you are counting by 2s is the rule. Skip counting by 3s. So here's a number line. You count every third number when skip counting by 3s. That is your clue. You start at 0. You're going to skip 2 numbers to land on the third number. So skip 1, skip 2, you're landing on 3. 0, 3. Skip 4, skip 5, you're landing on 6. Because that is the third number. Skip 7, skip 8, you land on 9. That is the third number. So if you're skip counting by 3s, which is the rule, you would say 0, 3, 6, 9, skip the next 2. No wonder what you'd land on. Skip counting by 5s. So a number line here goes up to 20. When you skip count by 5, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, and you land on the 5th number that you count. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're landing on the 5th number that you count. So if you're counting forwards by 5, you would say 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on. So that is the idea of finding the rule when you're coming to do your number pattern work. If you need to draw a number line like this, you can do that. Or you can use, I'm not sure if you've got your number line in your bag, in your folder this time or next time, but have a look. I have enclosed a number line up to 30 to help you. So see how you go.